history of sex and love is also a history of power, of politics, of religion. But it's been buried, hidden, falsified. That's why a journey through the history of sex and love is so full of surprises. Well, it was for me anyway. Why did Roman gentlemen prefer blondes? Would you hang one of these on your car windscreen? And was it really the hats that made medieval knights so sexy? Were cornflakes invented to stop us masturbating? Above all, just how did we end up here? Another question I want to ask is this. How come our society invented sexual repression on a spectacular scale, and yet we've ended up surrounded by images of eroticism? Shh. Let's go back as far as we can in human history. When most of us look at ancient Egypt, we see astonishing works of engineering. So it came as a bit of a surprise to me to learn that these pyramids and temples were all built in the context of cosmic sexual activity. Sex was how the gods kept the world alive. Indeed, it's how it all started. Atum, the creator god, is said to have masturbated to form the world. I suppose you could call it the Big Bang Egyptian style. And masturbation kept a sense of the divine. At the festival of the god Min, who represented Pharaoh's sexual potency, men masturbated in public. Well, then was then and now is now. I'm here in Luxor with Dr. Joanne Fletcher, who has studied male-female relationships in ancient Egypt. And she believes that there then existed a surprising degree of equality between men and women.
There was no kind of idea that women were the weaker sex or passive at all, because the whole mythology of ancient Egypt, the whole ethos was based on a complete balance of opposites, a complete balance of dualities, male and female, night and day, life and death. Women had exactly the same rights in the eyes of the law that men did. Women could buy and sell property, choose which of their children would inherit. They could divorce their husbands.
The sexual intercourse of the gods was what made the world fertile, filled it with sexual energy, which of course affected the way men and women looked at each other throughout the ancient world, even in ancient Israel.